CCC Notes, Unit 3rd, Word Processing. Main course objective: learn essential navigation, master document management, develop text manipulation skills like formatting text, paragraph, and pages to create professional looking document, build advanced skill. First topic: word processing. Word processing software allows you to create, edit, format, and print text documents. Before diving into specific features, it's important to understand what makes word processors so powerful. Through word processing software, we can edit, add, and deleting the text, modification of the text, checking of spelling errors, creating and manipulate tables, modify the text in the various styles. We can create documents ranging from simple letters to complex reports, format text to improve readability and appearance, save document for future use or sharing, print professional looking documents, and we can also include the elements like tables, images, and charts. Popular word processing applications include Microsoft Word, Google Docs, Apple Pages, and LibreOffice Writer. The interface, first of all, the on the top is title bar. Located at the top of the window, the title bar displays the document name and application. It also contains minimize, maximize, and close button. Second one is menu bar. Contains drop down menus, file edit, views, insert, etc. that provide access to various commands and features. Next one, toolbar. Provide quick access to commonly used commands through buttons and controls. The ribbon interface in newer version organize tools into tabs. Sidebar may contain additional tools, navigation panes, or formatting option depending on the application. Next topic is document management basics. First of all, we can create a new document. We can click on file, then go to new option. Use the shortcut Ctrl plus N on Windows or Command plus N on Mac. Many applications offer templates to start with a pre-formatted document. Second one is opening existing documents. Click file, then go to open or use Ctrl plus O / command plus O. Navigate to file location, select it and click open. Saving your work. You can use save option or Ctrl plus S or command plus S to update your current file, or save as to create a new copy with a different name, location or format. For closing the document, click on file, then click on close. Or the X in the document tab. If you have not saved your changes, you will be prompted to do so. Always save your work frequently to prevent losing changes due to unexpected shutdowns or crashes. Saving document options and formats. What is the main difference between save versus save as? Save. It updates the current file with your changes. Or save as creates a new file leaving the original intact. Common file formats like .docx, it's standard Word document format, .pdf for fixed format for sharing, .txt for plain text without formatting, .rtf rich text format for basic formatting. Getting help when you need it. It has a built-in help system it has search box, it has tooltip, and we can use online resources like website supports, forms, and tutorial videos provide additional assistance for a specific task. Page layout and page setup. Before creating content, consider how your document will be structured and presented. Page setup options control the overall appearance and dimensions of your document. Like page size, the standard page size is A4, orientation, portrait or landscape, margins, we can set the different margins, space between content and the edges of pages, columns, dividing text into newspaper style columns. We can set the border line around the page edges or sections. We can use the watermarks, faded background text or images. Example draft, confidential or some images like logos. Access these settings through the page layout or layout tab or via file, then go to page setup. Printing your document. For print preview, always check how your document will look when printed before sending it to the printer. Access via file, then go to print or control plus P or command plus P. Print setting. You can adjust copies, page range, number of pages, single and double sided, color or black, paper tray and other printer specific options. Print to PDF. Instead of using physical paper, you can print to PDF file. It creates a soft copy of your document. Text creation and editing basics. For creating content, click anywhere in the document and begin typing. Press enter or return to create a new paragraph. Use shift plus enter for a line break within a paragraph. You can use cut, copy and paste option. For cut, you can use shortcut key like Ctrl plus X or Command plus X. For copy, you can use Ctrl plus C and Command plus C. And for paste, you can use Ctrl plus V or Command plus V. Selecting the text. You can do double click to select a word, triple click to select a paragraph, click and drag to select a specific text, Ctrl plus A or Command plus A to select the entire document. Undo and redo option. Made a mistake, press Ctrl plus Z or Command plus Z to undo your last action. Change your mind, use Ctrl plus Y, Command plus Y to redo. Text formatting essential. First one, font formatting. You can change the font size, font type, font style like bold, italic, underline to establish hierarchy and improve readability. Quick access, Ctrl plus B shortcut key is used for bold text, Ctrl plus I for use italic text and Ctrl plus U for use underline the text. Color and highlighting. Use text color to add emphasis and highlighting to mark important information. Use different colors for font or paragraph. Text alignment. We know there are 4 alignment like left, center, right or justified to create a professional appearance. For quick access, you can use Ctrl plus L for left, Ctrl plus E for center, Ctrl plus R for right alignment. For paragraph formatting, you can choose indentation, control the space between text and margin, first line indent, hanging indent, left or right indent. Use tab to indent manually or set automatic indents through the ruler or paragraph dialog. For bullets and numbering, organize information into clear list, bulleted list for unordered items, number list for sequential steps, multi-level list for hierarchical information. Customize bullets style and numbering formats for visual appearance. Spacing and break, control document flow and readability. Line spacing, space before or after paragraph, page break to start new pages, page break to start new pages, sections break to change formatting. We can set the headers, footers and advanced tool. Headers and footers add page numbers, document titles, dates or logos that appear on every pages. Double click on the top or bottom margin area to edit or use the insert tab. Find and replace. Quickly locate text with Ctrl plus F or Command plus F. Use Ctrl plus H or Command plus H to replace text throughout your document. Advanced option allow case matching and whole word searching. Spelling and grammar, run a check with F7 or through the review tab. Changing case, transform selected text to uppercase, lowercase, sentence case or title case without retyping. Find in the format menu or use Shift plus F3 to cycle through option. Working with tables. For creating table, insert table to organize information in rows and columns. Click Insert tab and go to Table options. Second step is select number of rows and columns or use Draw Table for custom shapes. For formatting tables, you can adjust column width, row height by dragging borders. Add borders and shading for visual appeal. Align text within cell. Top, middle, bottom alignment you can set easily with table layout. Apply table styles for consistent formatting. For advanced table operations, you can easily insert or delete rows and columns. You can easily merge cells for create spanning headers. You can easily split cell for more complex layout. You can convert text to table or tables to text. You can easily sort data alphabetically or numerically. Tables are powerful tools for presenting data, creating forms, or simply organizing information in a structured format. Productivity boosters, mail merge and shortcuts. First one, mail merge. Mail merge feature enable you to generate a set of forms, letters, etc. containing similar information that can be sent to a group of people. To use a mail merge, you have to first store a set of information like a list of names and addresses in one file. First, create your main document with placeholders. Second step, connect to a data source. Third one, insert merge field where you want personalized info. And fourth one, preview and complete the merge. Perfect for invitations, form letters, certificates, and mass emails. Second topic is essential keyboard shortcuts. There are some shortcut keys we can use easily for a task like Ctrl plus S for saving the document, Ctrl plus Z for undo, Ctrl plus C for copy, Ctrl plus X for cut, and Ctrl plus V for paste. Control plus B for bold the font. Control plus I for italic font. Control plus U for underlining the text. Control plus B for print the document. Control plus F for finding something, and F7 for spell check. Thank you. We will meet in the next chapter, Unit 4 of CCC Notes.